Alright folks, in today's video I bring you another unlock for the pattern password on your Samsung F06 for those of you who forgot the PIN, the pattern password, and can't remember anymore. Remove your chip, remove your card, because this procedure will erase everything in its memory. In some cases, you will need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any program, any file or anything, so you test with the cable and without the cable in whatever way works for you, and you put it in the comments. Our recommendation for using the cable in some models, in some cases, is so that it enters recovery mode and you go there and select the unlock option that I will show you here, okay? So let's go. If you also need to unlock your email, your Google account, in a moment I will talk about how you can also unlock it, but first let's take care of this one. You can leave the device on this screen or on the emergency screen. That's where it is, and that's where I prefer to leave it. You will press the minus button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the minus and press the plus. When the name Samsung appears on the screen, release the power and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you. Minus and power.
Hold until the device restarts. Release the minus, press the plus.
Pay attention to the screen, so release the power and keep holding the volume up buttons. This is the recovery mode. Remember that this procedure works for other Samsung models as well. Now go down by pressing the minus button until the option where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm with the power button, just one click. Go down again, confirm again. Let's wait for this information to complete. Once you get here, confirm once more by just clicking the power button, and here your device is already being unlocked. You'll see it will return without any default password on the home screen. If you need to unlock your email and Google account, as we mentioned, you can contact me through the number in the video description to ask your question, clear your doubts, and check the cost of your unlocking or get a quote for any other type of repair you need. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will be in the video description, and no matter the amount, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I have helped you. This was today's video. Thanks, a hug,